act like you know how this goes.
What are we about to do, Reignbeaux?
Make some sparkly
Reignbeaux.
cupcakes for y'all.
For them or us?
Okay. we're just gonna let y'all see what we're gonna
We're gonna let them see us make cupcakes for us, right?
Yes.
Okay, so this is Reign's idea. She wants to make some funfetti cupcakes. So we're about to make some. Yeah, show them.
Y'all see this lovely container? It looks like ice cream.
It's so yummy. Okay, so what's the first thing we need to do, Reignbeaux? You have to read the ingredients. Let's set the oven to what? What that say? 300 and what?
50.
350. Okay, so let's set that to 350. Push start. We got that going. Come on, now I'm about to get us a bowl so that we can put our cake mix in.
Mommy, what?
Look, yes. Come on, here. Open your. This is the bowl, guys.
Mommy,
yes.
It hit me right here.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Sorry about that. Oh, and you know what I still didn't get from the store?
What?
One of those whisk things, those things that you mix the cake and stuff up with. Okay, we're gonna have to make it do what it do. Okay.
I'll
Come on, pour this in there.
I'll get this.
Do you want to pour this in here or you want mommy to?
I'll do it.
Okay.
Tell me when to stop.
Okay, go ahead.
That's it.
Keep going.
That's it.
No. We're going to put the whole thing in there.
Why?
Because we're making a whole thing. We're making a whole box. You just want to make half?
Yeah.
Sit down so your hair won't be cut off.
Okay.
All right. So back up.
Wait,
Come
my
on.
hair won't be cut off?
Yeah, right here. All right, so
Got
now
the
that you put you set the oven, and then coat the bottom of your pan with non-stick cooking spray or flour dusting. So now we have to get, say we bought these.
Oh.
We can use these. Or we can use these ones that we bought. And we could put these. Come on, let's put these in our.
Mommy, what about we put the yellow ones up?
What about we get what?
We put the yellow ones up, and so what about we do?
Look, show them what you're doing. Show them what you're doing. We'll put these in here.
Let's put the yellow ones up and do the blue and
But
purple.
these small. These are bigger. See how small they are?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's just use these. We're gonna use these, guys.
Okay, I'm gonna use the blue one.
Okay, go ahead, blue.
And the pink.
Blue.
These are mine.
Okay, I'm gonna use pink, and then we're gonna use a yellow one. Okay, yellow here. No, pink.
Where's blue gonna go? Where's yellow gonna go?
Pink here. There, we're gonna put those in the other one. So for now, we're gonna use these, and then we're gonna do that there.
This is picking.
All right. So now that we got this done, we have it all set up. We have our oven set. We're gonna set this to the side,
Mommy,
and we're gonna finish doing this part, the most important part, Reignbeaux, right? Okay. So next, it says
I need water.
it said beat cake mix. Water, you have to add your water. How much water do you need? It says 1 cup of water.
Okay.
So here's your 1 cup of water. Show them your 1 cup.
Oh, y'all look.
Come on.
Wait, Mommy, one.
Go ahead. Good job, Mama.
Y'all, look, it looked like a mountain.
It looked like a mountain?
Look, it's ice right there.
Ice?
Look.
Wait, what are you talking about, girl? I don't know what you're talking about.
It tastes so good.
It tastes so good?
Yeah.
Okay, next you're going to put a 1/2 cup of oil.
Can I help?
Yes, you're going to.
I'm going to do it.
Okay. Okay, so Reign put her oil in there.
Okay.
So next you're going to put
eggs.
how many eggs? 3 eggs.
Okay. I'm okay.
You say that stink? Wait. Okay, let mommy help you. Cause we don't want no egg. Wait. You gotta let mommy help you with this, okay? Look.
So can I do one? You do one?
Go ahead. Do the other side. Cause you don't want to get no eggs in there. See?
Okay.
Now do the last one. You're gonna be eating egg shells.
I mean, I don't know how to do it. It's hard for me.
There you go. Good job. All right, so
Move
now
these back.
yeah, move those back. And now you're going to
Wait,
go ahead.
let me wait.
Go ahead. 3 whole eggs, and now you're gonna stir it.
I always wanted to stir. Yeah, it's so weird.
Okay, so Rain is stirring. So Rain, what's been up? Tell us about how kindergarten been going.
Good.
Tell us about your new friend. What's her name?
Lily.
Lily, and who else? Lily, and who else? Let mommy see. Let mommy do one time, okay? And then I'll let you. Who else is your friend? Lily, and who else?
I forgot her name.
You forgot? Why you keep forgetting your friend's name at school? If this is supposed to be your friends, you're supposed to know their name, right?
Oliver.
Oliver? Her name Oliver?
No, it's a boy.
Oh, Oliver. So the people want to know, how are things going since Jashay is off at college? Do you miss her? Do you talk to her?
She's supposed to call me.
She's supposed to call you?
Yeah.
You don't call her?
Last week I called her. I told her I couldn't call her back. Then she never called me back. So she didn't call you back. So I think we need to call Jashay. Yeah.
And see what's going on with her, because she didn't call you back. That's a no-no, right? Why she didn't call my Reignbeaux back? Let me see what she
I
doing.
sent her 12 messages saying why you didn't call me. Then she didn't even respond.
What?
Hello.
Jashay. Rain said y'all have pressure. She said she sent you 12 messages and you didn't respond. You were supposed to call her back. We are baking a cake right now, doing a YouTube video. And she, you eating them raw eggs?
You text me?
Yeah.
I didn't get no text, honey. Yes, you did. No, I didn't. Yes, you did.
Ooh, this is going to be so good, Jashay. Jashay, so how's college life going?
It's good.
Rain, I don't think you should be eating this because it's raw eggs in here.
I know.
You know that? That's okay if she eat this, Mom?
I always eat it.
Okay. We got to stir it up some more first. Okay, so Jashay, what's been going on?
Wait, let me stir.
Catch us up, girl. What's the tea?
See, nothing happening. I just been chilling.
So you are enjoying the college life, I see.
Yes, I am.
She said, yeah, kind of. You are coming out of your shell, baby. You be outside.
It looks like I'm stirring.
Even Michael was like, you remember Michael, the one who gave us the sword?
Oh,
She was
yeah.
like, be out. I'm like,
She got her friends, baby. I love it. We picking up on your baking skills. Rain is baking her some Reignbeaux confetti cupcakes, and right now she's, stirring her base, and she's getting ready to pop them in her cupcake holders and then put them in the oven.
I really want to lick them.
And you really want to lick the spoon. Well, you can lick the spoon when it's done. I mean, nothing happened to me. I did it when I was a kid. I did it all the time. But then I start realizing as I got older, there's raw eggs and stuff in here that's not cooked, and we're really licking this stuff.
I love raw eggs.
You do?
Yeah.
Yeah!
I love raw eggs.
Josh,
Yeah,
my baby
Daddy
said
love
you
it.
ain't call her back. Huh? She don't have nothing to say, Reignbeaux. Now you know that's something else. Why you ain't calling your bestie babe girl?
To be honest. I was gonna call you today, Rain.
Grandma.
Rain, she said she was gonna call you.
Papa's out the door.
Oh, okay. She said she was gonna call you today, Rain.
Well, why you didn't call me?
I was getting my hair done. I just finished my hair.
What did you do to your hair? You gotta send us a picture. Let us see you. FaceTime us.
I got large.
Let me see.
Let us see. Let us see. Let us see. Say hi to our YouTube channel, Joshua.
Hi.
Let me see your hair. It's cute. Who did it? Not you finding a hairstylist out there and everything. You look cute. Who did your hair? Who did your hair, Joshua?
This girl, Precious.
Oh, she go to the school?
Mhm.
Oh, and how much she charged the braid?
100.
Oh, baby.
$100.
That's not bad, Ray.
Okay.
That's not bad. She said $100. Okay, come on. We almost done with this cake, girl. This cake is getting...
You mean mixing?
Almost done with the mixing of the cupcakes. Here, look at your bestie.
Are you done?
Talk to your bestie.
Rainy, I miss you.
I miss you too.
They miss each other, y'all. They really do. Rain is telling us about school. Rain.
How is school going?
Good.
Good?
It's yummy.
Yeah.
It's so yummy. She don't like to give us too many details about school, Joshua.
What?
Joshua, have you been watching the show?
Oh, yes. I haven't been catching it.
All right, we're gonna pour it in here so we have our tray. Look, Joshua, we have our tray.
Mommy, how you stop it?
Look.
Uh-huh.
We have our tray. Rain. No. Rain. Look, you can't do that till afterwards. Because that's nasty.
Afterwards what?
After we get all the cupcakes in the thing. Okay?
Y'all got the aprons on and everything.
Yeah, girl. You see our aprons. My apron says, what my apron says? The real boss. And Rain, let them see your apron. Let Joshua see your apron.
My apron don't
It's a
say
unicorn.
Nothing. Where it say unicorn?
No, it's a unicorn on there.
I thought you said it say unicorn.
Your hair is pretty, Joshua. $100. I need to come to Troy to give me some braids.
I was like, oh, this the...
We ain't never paid that price, huh? We never paid $100. And is this a special thing that you're supposed to scoop this with?
No.
No?
Mm-mm.
Rain just eating all the ice and her stomach gonna be hurt. I mean, all the cake mix, her stomach gonna be hurt. Let's see.
What kind of icing y'all putting on top?
We have the sparkly icing. It's buttercream. It's vanilla with sprinkles.
I want some.
You want some?
Mm-hmm.
When you coming home to visit?
On Halloween.
We don't know about letting you get on that road by yourself, Joshua.
I was going to do a S-U...
Ow.
P-R-I...
The who?
S-U-P-R-I-S-E.
Oh. Alrighty, y'all. We are done putting them in the thing. So now it's time to put them in the oven. Wait, girl. Look, y'all. Look at Rain Cupcakes. She can't wait to eat the icing. That's all she want to do. So I'm going to put these in the oven. Let me put this other one. We have 2 pans of them. Whoop. In the oven they go.
In the oven they go. They taste so good, y'all.
Alright, so we can't wait till they get done, y'all. We ready to eat those. Eat those up. They're going to be delicious. And decorate them. Let Rain put the icing and the sprinkles and stuff on them. So, Rain, are you enjoying baking? She just won't eat the ice. Girl. Oh, my goodness. So, Rain, and let the bowl clean. Is it that yummy?
Yeah.
It's that yummy, huh? It's no more. You can stop now. This must be something that every kid loves to do. Right, Daddy?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, years ago, when I was me and my oldest brother used to fight to see who get it.
And she done licked the whole bowl clean. Okay, the cupcakes should be ready in about, what, 30 minutes? Okay, Rain. Okay, that's enough. We went and got our nails done, and all Rain nails came off.
All 3 of them.
So it's time to do what? Huh? So we gotta go get them done again.
Yeah.
Yeah, we gotta get them fixed.
Yeah. But first, we're making cupcakes.
Back up, girl. It's too close. No.
Y'all, look at it.
Rainy about to start soccer, guys. Are you ready for soccer? No? You're not ready? You just want to do gymnastics? You don't want to do soccer?
Gotcha.
She don't know. But yeah, that's what we about to do. You gotta call your sister. You checked on that name?
Not sure. Yeah, we have to wait 1 more minute till cupcakes ready. It's done!
It's almost done. Alright, y'all, I took them out. They are ready to get the icing and decorations on them. Ooh, the rainbow cupcakes is looking good.
Yes, Mommy.
You spread the icing on each one. Go ahead.
Well, I can't do it. You have a whole nother cupcake.
Okay, go ahead.
You can just do it by yourself.
Good job.
I need some more icing.
Okay, here.
After I finish my day.
Rainy, look at those, girl. So you're not putting those sprinkles on the middle one?
Because the middle one is for me.
No, you don't want sprinkles on yours.
No.
Oh, okay.
This one Grandma's, this one Robbie's, this one Daddy's, this one yours, and that one mine, and this one is Papa's.
Okay. So yummy and good.
And one of yours are Jalen's.
Going to be the taste tester. So how did Rain do, Jalen? This is Rain's big sister, Jalen. Let's see what Jalen thinks. What do you rate it, Jalen?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10, girl! Rain, you did a good job, girl. Them cupcakes is good, sis. So what you want to tell the people? Make sure they what?
Like and subscribe and hit that like button so one of y'all can be in the next video.
Well,
See
she
y'all
said, y'all.
later.
Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Bye.
Bye.